Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Cancer. Let's get to your reading, Cancer. Let's look at how do you think and feel about your person at this time. And then we're going to look at your person's feelings for you. And stick around till the end because I'm going to look at this person's future action towards you and outcome of this connection towards the end of the reading, along with some oracle card messages. And please remember, this is also a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Only take what resonates, leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign, for additional information. So, Cancer, your overall energy is the Emperor. Your person's overall energy is the King of Pentacles. So, you could be dealing with an Aries or a Taurus. Now, you have the Emperor here as your overall energy. This is somebody who is very disciplined, very structured, very fair. Somebody who does not open up very easily emotionally. They are a bit, they are a bit reserved. Uh, but this is somebody who takes care of everybody, who has that kind of responsibility on them, that sense of responsibility to kind of be fair to all. This is somebody maybe you're dealing with, or maybe this could be your current energy, where you feel like the Emperor, you feel you're in this energy of being very structured and very firm and very disciplined. Now, this person has a King of Pentacles, so there is a Taurus energy that I see on this person's side. This person right now is very focused on their money, their investments, their maybe work, career, business, finances. So this person could be more focused on those things at this time. Right now, your relationship could be going through some kind of a stagnancy because you feel like the hangman. You feel like nothing is moving forward. There's something that you realize that needs to be sacrificed for this relationship to work out. You're trying to look at things from a different perspective. You feel like things are not moving ahead for some reason. There's an energy of healing as well. So maybe if there have been issues between you and this person, you're trying to heal from something. This person has the star, which is Aquarius energy. So they are also trying to heal from something. They're trying to go with the flow of things. They're trying to manifest something. And the universe is saying that their wishes are coming true. So they are praying for something here. Now you have the Wheel of Fortune. So this is an energy of time. Okay, this is when the time turns, the wheel of time turns. This is now coming in your favor, and you're kind of waiting for the right time, or you feel that in the past you both could not be together because the time was not right. This is an energy of revisiting the past as well. So maybe you are trying to reconnect with this person. Now, this person feels like the Five of Pentacles, so there is this energy of feeling rejected, left out in the cold, or maybe they are leaving you out in the cold. There's this energy of not feeling very confident, okay? And this is from this person's side. You have the Hierophant, again, Taurus energy. So, this is an energy of something like a contract. It could be a marriage. It could be that this person, that you want to be with this person. You see this person as a long-term partner. You want to be married to this person, or maybe you already are married to this person. This person feels heartbroken. They feel like something has come to an end. They feel like this is not working out. They feel heartbroken. Maybe there's a third party situation. For some of you, you are married to somebody else, okay? So let's just clarify, who's this Emperor? You've got the Five of Cups. So there's an energy of feeling like a loss, feeling like this opportunity is missed out. You miss this person. Maybe the Emperor is somebody you have been with before, and you miss this person, you miss being with them. Why is the Five of Cups here? Page of Pentacles. So you're going towards something new. but you're still kind of looking back at the past. Okay, so why is the King of Pentacles here? So this could be the new person coming towards you, but there's a lot of gossip, there's a lot of pettiness, maybe there's a lot of there are a lot of other people sabotaging this connection. There is a lot of blockages in this relationship. They want to come towards you, but they feel blocked. Maybe they feel blocked because you're still stuck in the past. Okay, so Cancer, why is the Hangman here? So that's why this Hangman is here, because you're healing from something from the past. Okay, you've kept things on hold because you want to heal and then move forward. So you're focusing on your work, you're paying attention to your work, you're paying attention on building something in your career. There is a lot of stress and anxiety when it comes to letting go of the past, moving forward. It's not very easy, and you're going through that process. Why is the Star here? The Seven of Swords is here. So there's this energy of running away from something. There's an energy of not facing the truth. This person wants to come towards you. They've been waiting for quite some time. Maybe you know this person from a long time, but they've never had the courage to speak to you or tell you how they really feel about you. Now they see a chance, because now you have let go of somebody, or maybe you're letting go of somebody, and they know that, and now they want to come towards you, but they're scared to. Okay, they're scared to open up, they're scared to kind of tell you what they really feel. So that's why the Wheel is here, because you both have met before, but the time was not right for the two of you to come together. The Soulmate card, the Lovers, Gemini energy. So it looks like now the wheel is turning in favor of this relationship. You're meeting your soulmate, you're realizing this person is somebody who could be a potential partner to you. This person is taking control of things. They feel they may not be as good as your past person. Okay, so there is a feeling of lack of confidence because they compare themselves to someone else. The Tower is here. So maybe it's also possible that you may have rejected this person in the past for someone else. So they are a bit, still in that energy of feeling rejected. Why is the Hierophant here? Queen of Cups. So there is an offer being made by you to this person. You are reaching out, telling them how you feel, but this person feels heartbroken. Why? Because somewhere they are they feel that you're just compromising. You're just they are worried that you may not be as interested in them. Page of Swords is being very guarded. They are wanting to protect their heart because they've been heartbroken before, they've been betrayed before. So they are being very careful. They are being very, they are not very sure of your feelings. So they are trying to defend themselves, protect themselves from further heartbreak. So, what is the future action going to be of this person? The Sun. They are going to get clarity in the situation. They are going to realize that this is not a pity offer coming towards them. This is really happening, and you do like them. There is a lot of happiness and abundance here, but there's also a lot of confusion, a lot of illusions, and through that, this person is kind of breaking through the illusions and coming towards you with some clarity, with some confrontational conversation. And with confrontational, I don't mean they are going to attack you, but there's going to be some straight, honest conversation that's going to happen here. Now, what is the outcome? Outcome here is the Ace of Wands. So I do see a passionate new beginning. I see a new start. I see a lot of fiery energy, passion, and taking action. This is divinely timed. So this is going to come towards you. This is going to be renewed for you. I see that everything is happening at divine timing. So just go with the flow, Cancer, and trust the process. Okay. So let's just see what are the messages for you here. You've got romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. So definitely, yeah, like I said, you're healing from something. You're letting go of the past. You deserve love. You are lovable. So beautiful energy, Cancer. And this is what I have for you. I hope this helps and resonates with you. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a private reading, I'm available. You can book with me on my email. You can, you can send me your inquiry, or you can make inquiries on my email ID, and I will share all the details of the reading with you there. Or you can directly book on my website if you have PayPal. Alternatively, you can also chat with me live on the website, and all the details of website, email are on the screen in the description box. Do check it out. I'll be back with another reading, but please do like, share, and subscribe. Let me know how this resonates, and I'll see you soon. Take care.